Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm looking a little crazy. I decided to follow a Kim Kardashian makeup tutorial. So that's probably on my channel before this video. What the fuck is this shit? That's why I'm looking kind of like a ratchet Kardashian version. Next up, Shayna B Miami sent over. I'm super excited because I feel like I've heard so many people talk about her products and how much they love them. So I'm jumping on that train. Of her flirty lashes and a cute little beauty sponge. Look how cute these lashes are. These are like super girly and just light and nice, which I think is pretty. So they're like super everyday wear, and then they have the little wing on the outside. They have the little wing on the outside, which I think is kind of cool because if you kind of have more droopy eyes like me, they kind of bring those eyes up and lift it. So I'm into it, and I like that they are nice and inexpensive. They also have a thin band, so it's really easy to put them on, especially if you're not like a big winged liner girl. They'll sit really nicely. And then next up we have the Kevyn Aucoin. They sent over nude. Oh no, we're still good, we're still good, we're still here. Okay. They sent over Nude Pop, which is kind of like their Electric Pop, except for they have some nice mattes in here. It's very on that mauve side. They have some really pretty fun glitters in it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love, love, love Kevyn Aucoin, and I think that they always have like really fun, interesting products, something that you really wouldn't find on the shelves at Ulta or Sephora. I don't know, I feel like they're just a little bit more creative, a little bit more fun and just like colorful. They're more on like kind of that fearless, edgy side, which I'm kind of into, and the packaging, like the pictures on it, remind me so much of the 80s, and I'm an 80s bitch, baby. Like, that is my shit. I know the 90s right now are like really heavily, like everyone's into it, but I live for the 80s. Then from Kylie Cosmetics, which I love Kylie Cosmetics. They have the richest like matte lipsticks. They're just so crazy pigmented, and they were one of my first. Oh my god, this like hair is so hot. Oh my god, if you have not watched this Kim Kardashian tutorial, I don't know how celebrities live their lives, because I'm just like dying. My neck's sore. I think I might have a headache. I think it's giving me a sinus infection because I'm ready to blow my nose. They sent over some makeup primer. They sent over some rose oil, some Bulgarian rose oil, which is super fancy. I've never used that. Some foundation and another little beauty sponge. So I'm excited to try that. Then Elements sent over their Renew collection, and this is supposed to be like fresh and hydrating. And this has the Revive Brightening, Purifying and Refresh, Hydrate and Protect, Illuminate and Revitalize. When you look at the packaging, look at this bitch's eye. She looks tired as hell. She looks like a new woman. I think this will be super fun to try. You guys know I love skincare. So if you guys want to see a review on this, because I'll probably use it for a few days and then like kind of get a feel for how I feel. So if you kind of are interested in, keep an eye out on Instagram. I feel like on Instagram, I'm telling you on stories, I'm always on there like checking shit out, letting you know what I think about it. I try to like try it on the spot, and I like on Instagram stories that it's like in live time so that you can't edit that shit. So if something sucks, like it sucks, there's nothing you can do about it. Then Ofra sent over their little holiday gift set of their little lippies. I love their lipsticks, and I fucking love their highlight. If you, oh my god, if you're not interested in lipstick at all, but you're like kind of on the fence about what kind of highlight to get, Ofra, I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I promise you. But their lipsticks are really, really good. Ofra, Kat Von D, and Buxom, they are my three like fucking holy grail favorite matte lipsticks of life. So I would definitely check this out. I hope you like this video. I feel like I'm rambling on. I'm so annoying. But if you haven't, subscribe, blah, 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 and I'll see you soon.